Okay, so today we're doing
BB Glow.
okay.
But we're going to do BB Glow contouring for you. So BB Glow is a tinted serum that gets gently needled into your skin with a nano needle. So it's basically painless. If you think of a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream, let's say that because hence the name BB cream, you're not going to get extreme coverage, but it will definitely even out your skin tone
So it will give me that instant glow.
Yes,
that
you'll get an instant glow and you'll get your even tone. Obviously with the contouring, we will contour just the normal principles of contouring. So you get concealer, you get bronzed, you get blush. So whatever the client obviously would like, we will implement throughout the treatment.
Okay. And then what is so you mentioned it doesn't give full coverage.
No.
So it's not like a foundation, and it's
No.
also not like a tattoo.
No. So we are not going deep enough for it to be. It's not the same as permanent makeup. We're not going that deep, and it's not that permanent. It's not permanent at all. So you will also need a few sessions to get the desired result for a more intensive coverage. But it's never going to be full coverage at all. It is just to even out skin tone. As I said, think of a BB cream. You're gonna get the same.
Yeah, without the BB cream is not going to.
You don't. It can't be washed off. So
yeah.
You're gonna have it for a couple of weeks without having to reapply anything or so on.
But it's also neutralizing my skin.
Yes.
It's not just something I just smack on my skin and then.
No, and it is.
It's still going to penetrate
serum.
my skin.
It's a serum, so it's also good for your skin. Other than just evening out your skin tone and so on, it is good for your skin. It's not makeup, and it is not a tattoo pigment or a permanent makeup pigment.
Okay,
It is a serum.
So I've done. So you've given me the facial steaming, and you've given me the dermaplaning, and you've given me the Amazon Deep Cleanse, and now we're going over to the BB Glow.
Yes. So what we've done is we have already mixed or matched for your skin tone. So what we'll do is we're going to apply the contour and the highlight or the concealer, and then we're obviously going to mix in between with your normal skin tone.
Okay, so all the serums you have, which is obviously colors, you will mix them according to my skin color, so you can actually.
It is 100% tailored to your skin tone.
Okay.
And your skin color, and of course we like to go slightly lighter because it can oxidize. So
okay.
We don't want to do too much of an exact match just in case there is oxidation.
And this is suitable for everyone, hey?
Yes.
Like everybody can do BB Glow.
Yes, whatever your skin concern is, this, like I said, is more for just evening out the skin tone. So.
But it won't be beneficial for people that have like acne prone skin.
Well, we prefer not to needle over active acne, so I would suggest first sorting out your flare, and then you can come in and do
Yeah, so you have to have like a clear skin.
Yes, no active acne, no active breakouts. We don't want to needle over that.
Yeah, because it's toxins.
Yes, that's
Okay.
quite dangerous. We can also spread bacteria.
That's very dark.
I've made it lighter. I've mixed it. Don't worry.
But obviously that's not going to.
It's not going to
be
stay
that
that
dark.
dark.
Okay.
No, not at all.
That look weird. That would look weird.
Okay, so we will contour this button nose, and our button nose looks really cute with a little bit there. And then obviously I'm gonna ask you to smile, so I can see where.
No,
So if you can't
I
see,
have flat cheeks, so you're not gonna see.
you can't see the jaw, then what you will do is you'll either feel or you'll just follow the normal principles and come down from the ear over there.
So Chanel, you're obviously a certified esthetician. So do you, if somebody doesn't know what to do with their skin, or what is beneficial to do with their skin, they can obviously come and see you. You won't charge them like a consultation fee or whatever.
No. So
They can just come and see you, and then you can explain to them, you can evaluate and analyze their skin, and you can tell them what is required for their skin.
yes, so we are always open to consult, and we do not charge for consulting. We like to consult in person also. You can give us a call if you like, but
You need to see the skin.
Yes, it's better for us to consult in person. And then, yes, no problem. We will advise you and make a plan for you over a couple of months, weeks, whatever you prefer, to get your skin sorted.
And I see you guys do like package deals as well. What does that entail? Like, why would someone want a package deal instead of just one session?
So as I mentioned previously about setting up a plan for you, the plan is basically going to consist of working out a package just so that you can, are in order for you to get the best result from what we offer. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at your skin. If you need X amount of a treatment and X amount of this treatment, we will put them together, and we normally come up with some kind of discounted rate so it can benefit your pocket and you still get the result that you need.
Yeah, because sometimes life gets busy, you know, and then I've done one session with you, and now life is busy and whatever, and I actually need to come for another session because it is like you said, it's beneficial to at least do something once a month.
Yes.
With regards to skin.
Yeah, so that's the way we will set it up. We will say, okay, client needs, let's call it, for argument's sake, 3 sessions, 4 sessions, whatever it may be, and then we will say, okay, your package has 3 of this, 3 of that, 3 of whatever, and you come once a month.
So then I've paid my package already, and then I also know that I have to come because it's already paid, and that you have an expiry date like I've seen.
Yes,
so if you tell me, listen,
you will basically be wasting your own money.
Yeah, so if I buy a package from you, then you'll tell me, okay, Shona, you need to come in every 3 weeks for this treatment to get your skin sorted. And if I don't come in those expiry dates,
you
then
will forfeit them.
I'll forfeit. Okay.
Yes, you will forfeit the sessions you do not come for. So say for example, unfortunately we just have to do it this way because it does become a bit of an issue when we have other clients.
Yeah.
It takes away from their time. So
That's understandable.
yes, so you will forfeit maybe the 1 month if you didn't come, but you can come the following month and the month after that, as long as you do it within whatever period is specified for whatever package you received.
And I'm done with my package now, so, and I'm happy with my results. So you'll obviously then advise what's my next step to maintain that result. Okay.
Yes. So if you, for example, were dealing with acne, we will then, for example, we've cleared up your acne. Next step would be maybe scarring or pigmentation, anything like that. The next step will be to start working on that.
Okay.
So you have our full support. You can come to us with anything, and we like to make sure at the end of the day that the client has received everything they need to feel confident in their own skin. Okay, now we're just gently massaging with the nano needle.
Yeah, it's not little.
Correct.
This is quite popular overseas, but it's not really popular in South Africa as yet. Why is that?
We're quite late on most trends actually, but I don't know if, I think South Africans are quite conservative, and we have our few brave ladies. Maybe it's not marketed enough, I'm not sure, but it's perfectly safe. It's perfectly safe
Yeah, as you said, it is a certified serum that actually gets massage into your
I
skin.
think maybe there isn't enough education about it.
Okay.
And what it really entails. So I don't know if people think it's similar to permanent makeup, that they would be stuck with this forever.
Give me that glow I need.
Yes.
Because I do have a very dry skin, so this would be beneficial for somebody that has really dry skin. Because you know, when after pregnancy you lose everything. Like everything. And Chanel, obviously there's so much junk on social media and YouTube and people that's doing these type of treatments themselves.
I do not recommend. 0 out of 10 don't recommend. It's all good and well. It's easy to purchase. Everything is very easily accessible. But if you don't know what you're doing, you are not trained to use this device. You are not trained on skin. You can't just or for example, maybe you do know how to use the device. That's fine. But it doesn't mean that you know what you're doing.
But I'm seeing that you're mixing and matching and whatever. If I'm now on YouTube and I see like a tutorial on how to do this BB glow or how to do any type of skin treatment,
yes,
I do take that low liability that I can stuff up my skin completely.
Yes. So the company you have purchased it from is not going to help you with anything after you have ruined your skin. You're free to do whatever you like, but I don't recommend that you, especially when it comes to needles. It's a hygiene issue. It's an issue where you're not really sure how deep you can go, what setting to use. You can cause serious permanent damage.
And there's so many steps.
Yes.
That needs to, like I see, you follow so many steps. It's beneficial to rather go to a licensed professional, because I've seen ladies do, like for instance, microneedling on themselves, and then they do. I saw this lady on TikTok, and she was doing microneedling on herself, and she did permanent skin damage. She did permanent scarring.
Yes. There's a lot of things I've seen going around lately. One is also that really horrifies me is people are getting hold of peels. So for example, your TCA, your salicylic, whatever the case may be.
Yeah, and there's certain minutes.
I've seen a lot of ladies that have also now permanent damage from completely burning their skin.
And pigmentation. People obviously get pigmentation.
Scarring, pigmentation, all of it. It's just not worth it. I would say if you can't afford it, rather save up until you can afford it. It's just not worth. It's gonna cost you twice as much.
Yeah, because
trying to fix the
if I stuff up my own skin, I'm gonna have to get a licensed professional to actually fix it. And
that's
gonna take time.
Yes, and a lot of the times some damage is not fixable. You can make it look better, but some stuff is for life. So I just do not recommend, because it is a very big risk.
So what is the product you applied on now?
So this is just the product we put on at the end of the procedure. It is also just a nice serum to replenish, to moisturize, to lock in the product.
Okay.
Give it the glow, moisturize.
Because I can feel a little bit of tingling going.
You're starting to feel tingling. That is normal. Even though this is a very fine needle, it is still a needle. So you are going to experience some kind of micro punctures to the skin. Not punctures, it's a controlled.
And will this increase my elasticity in my skin and like collagen induction?
Yes, so it's a controlled injury, so it signals the brain to produce collagen to heal the injury. So that is how it stimulates your collagen.
And what's the aftercare of this if I'm done with this BB glow contouring therapy?
So tonight when you go home, you're not going to wash any of the product off. It needs to soak into your skin. Try to stay out of the sun. Do not apply any makeup on it. And then from there on out, you can carry on as per usual. Just remember to always use sunscreen, people.
Queen.
Yes.
Oh, that looks amazing. Jeez.
Wow, and you really do see the contouring.
BB Glow for the boss. I'll edit that out. But you do see the contouring. How amazing is that?
No, it's sick, eh? And imagine, I think we need to do one sometime with the blush.
You can see that. Contouring. Contouring queen. Yeah, my skin looks amazing.
You really look like you've been on holiday, my friend. Yeah?
BB Glow at Chanel.
Yeah. Ready for summer.
Ready for summer.